In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a looping GIF from Photoshop. By this point, your animation or sequence of frames should be ready to go, and we're just focusing on getting a clean, web-friendly GIF out of it. The tool we'll use is a classic exporter that gives you precise control over quality and file size. Start by opening the export panel through File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. Even though it's labeled Legacy, it remains one of the most reliable ways to create GIFs because it shows a live preview and an estimated file size, which helps you see exactly how your choices affect the result. Give it a moment to load your frames, especially if your animation is long. In the export window, set the format to GIF. This tells the exporter to create an indexed color file, which means it uses a limited palette of up to 256 colors. That's perfectly normal for GIFs and is one reason they're lightweight and web-friendly. If your animation has transparent areas, remember that GIF supports transparency, but not soft, semi-transparent edges. Keep that in mind as you evaluate the preview. If you want the animation to play continuously, set looping options to forever. This makes your GIF repeat from the beginning as soon as it finishes. If you prefer a single playthrough, you can leave it on once, but for most social or web uses, forever is the standard choice. Next, adjust size and colors if needed. In the image size section, reducing dimensions is the most effective way to cut file size while keeping things looking sharp. Keep the aspect ratio locked so nothing stretches, and consider working in even pixel values for cleaner scaling. For colors, try lowering the number from 256 to something smaller if the artwork allows. Fewer colors generally mean a smaller file. Adjust the dither setting to smooth out banding and gradients. Higher dithering improves smoothness but can increase size, so find a balance by watching the preview and the size readout. If your animation sits on a solid background, choosing a matching matte can help edges look cleaner. Small tweaks here can make a big difference. When everything looks right, click Save. Choose a clear file name, pick your destination folder, and confirm the .gif extension. The exporter will process the frames and write the file. That's it, you now have a GIF ready to share, optimized for looping, size, and clarity based on your choices in the export window.